All right, everyone. So we're doing $100 worth of tickets, and hopefully these turn out well. They should, but then again, who really knows at this point? We have 4 $20 tickets. We have, let me see, 4 of our $2 tickets, and we have 4 of our $3 tickets. So kind of a variety here. We'll see how it turns out. Our number is accordingly 11, 12, 13, and 14. So let's go and put these $20 tickets in the back. We'll do those very last. We'll sort it out just a little bit. We're going to start off with these little $2 tickets first. These are 100 times lucky, so we'll see. And we'll do 2 at once. Nice white line on the bottom. So let's see here. Winning numbers on the left. 20, 16, 12, 11, 3, 13, 1, 9, 7, 8, 15, 18. Nothing on the first one. Second one. Let me move this camera down just a little here. There we go. Maybe see a little more now. Numbers here: 18, 7, 13, 3, 6, 1, 2, 15, 19, 16, 11, and 20. So nothing on the second one. Last 2 of these. 4, 16, 7, 9, 1, 20, 17, 18, 13. There's a 5X winner. 3 and 8. All right, so $5 on that one. Let me see here. So it's 20, 11, 3, 12, 15, 19, 1, 18, 8, 9, 17, and 12. So the $2 tickets, just the 1 5X, and that is it. Separate this stuff a little bit here. Next up's the $3 tickets. We have number 40, 41, 42, and 43. And that winning number was number 102. All right, flip this down. We're gonna do number 40 first. Let me see here. Prize legend. Win $3, reveal 3. Okay, so it's how many gold bars you reveal. One more time. Scratch play area, reveal 3 or more gold bar symbols and win prize. Okay, so 3 gold bars. 1, 2, 3. It's like nothing on there. So you have to get 3 gold bars or you don't get anything. Second one here. One, 2, 'Nothing on either one of those. Put those to the loser pile. And here we have number 42 and 43. One. 2. 3. Look, all losers at least have 2 gold bars. So to keep your hopes up, huh? 1, 2, man. That was crappy. 4 $3 tickets in a row and no winners at all. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, so you get the 13 gold bars on the little index there. Alright, so what y'all been waiting for is the big money tickets. Let's see, 12, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Let's start with 11 first. These are the $100 and $200 game. Okay. Winning numbers up top. 7, 3, 24, 9, 12, 40, 2, and 6. 35, 17, 25, 37, 32. These are easy to miss ones. There's so many winning numbers. Note, 15 note. Two, 13, 4, 1, 21, 39, 11, 23, 30, and 26. Ticket number 12. 4, 24, 20, 35, 28, 3, 37, 38. No. Nope. 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 Like most of this stuff where it says loaded with $100, $200 prizes, usually that's just nonsense. If they do load it with those, that means they put less big prizes on it, which that's looking like the way this game is. $32, $23, $13, $19, $8, $9, $29, $22, $34, $16. Be sure and scan these big tickets again to make sure we don't overlook anything, but pretty much got knocked down. It's always good practice to rescan everything when you're done scratching. 9, 31, 37, 23, 33, 22, 17, 34. 14, 29, 4, 38, 1, 2, 40, 16, 18, 21, 28, 24, 12, 13, 11, 5, 7, 3, 8, 30, 32, 6, 27, 26, 36. 3 of them got nothing on. Down the very last one. 16, 17, 28, 2, 12, 31, 33, and 22. 1, 40, 19, 9, 26, 18, 20, 29, 5, 15, 32. It's not looking good. 7, 30, 24, 6, 14, 27, 13, 36, 3, 4, 21, 34, 35, and 11. Well, let me scan them just to make sure. Hold on. Okay, so I scanned them all, and it is true. Only one $5 winner out of $100, and we'll call this video about $100 with the scratch-off tickets. And this happened because this happened. Don't play Lotto, kids. Watch the video, share, subscribe, especially this one. Really share this one. Need to recoup some of that money. All right, guys, we'll see you later.